Ever wondered what makes MrBeast one of the most successful and influential YouTubers of our time? It's not just his unique stunts or massive giveaways, but a blend of creativity, determination, and a heart for giving that sets him apart. Today, we're going to explore 10 valuable lessons drawn from MrBeast's journey to YouTube stardom. From innovative creativity to impactful generosity, these lessons offer insights into his phenomenal success. So, buckle up, and let's dive deep into the world of MrBeast. First off, let's talk about MrBeast's innovative creativity. This guy is constantly pushing the envelope, challenging what we believe is possible on YouTube. His videos are like nothing else out there, sparking our own creativity and encouraging us to think differently. Next, we have his unwavering determination. MrBeast is a testament to the mantra, "Where there's a will, there's a way." His grit and tenacity in the face of challenges are truly inspiring, reminding us that persistence pays off and dreams really can come true. The third lesson is about impactful generosity. MrBeast's acts of kindness are legendary. Whether he's donating a fortune to charity or giving away cars and houses, he's shown us the true power of generosity and the profound impact it can have on the lives of others. Next up is fearless risk-taking. MrBeast isn't one to play it safe. He's always willing to step out of his comfort zone and take on audacious challenges, teaching us the value of taking risks and daring to do things differently. The fifth lesson is authenticity. Despite his massive success, MrBeast has remained true to himself, never losing sight of who he is. His authenticity shines through in every video, demonstrating the importance of being genuine in building strong connections with an audience. As we can see, MrBeast's success isn't just about his unique content, but also about his attitude and values. Moving on, let's explore the other aspects that contribute to MrBeast's success. Positive impact is a cornerstone of MrBeast's ethos. He leverages his platform to affect change, whether it's planting millions of trees or supporting small businesses. It's a powerful lesson in using influence for good, not just gain. Next up, teamwork and collaboration. Behind each video is a dedicated team bringing MrBeast's vision to life. It's a testament to the power of collective effort and a reminder that success is rarely a solo endeavor. Adaptability, another essential ingredient in MrBeast's recipe for success. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, staying relevant means staying adaptable. It's about embracing change, not resisting it. Then there's gratitude. Despite his fame, MrBeast remains grounded, always expressing appreciation for his supporters. It's a lesson in humility and a reminder to never take our successes for granted. Finally, dream big, act bigger. MrBeast shows us that there's no limit to what we can achieve when we pair audacious dreams with decisive action. It's about daring to dream and then daring to do. These lessons from MrBeast show us that success on YouTube isn't just about views and subscribers, but also about making a positive impact and staying true to oneself. So, those were the 10 lessons we can learn from MrBeast. From innovative creativity to impactful generosity, and from fearless risk-taking to dreaming big and acting bigger, his journey offers a wealth of inspiration. Let's challenge ourselves to apply these lessons in our lives. Remember, you have the power to make a difference, just like MrBeast. So why not start today? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.